Hey everyone, in this quick Blender tutorial, I'll show you how to select vertices behind your mesh, something that confuses a lot of beginners. So here's the issue. When you're in edit mode and try to box select, Blender only selects the vertices you can see, not the ones hidden behind the surface. This can make modeling really frustrating. The easiest fix is to enable X-ray mode. Just press Alt+Z on your keyboard. Now your mesh becomes transparent, and when you drag select, Blender will grab all vertices, even the ones behind. Super useful for clean selections. Another option is Wireframe mode. Press Z, then choose Wireframe. Now you can see through everything and select all vertices easily. Once X-ray or Wireframe is enabled, you can use B for box select, C for circle select, Control plus right-click for lasso select. These will now select through the entire mesh, and that's it. Now you know how to select vertices behind objects in Blender. If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more quick Blender tips.